What would your life look like if you don't do Genesis? Your life will look exactly the way that it is. I don't know what your life looks like because I never met you. But if you're watching this video, I could safely assume there's some things in your life that you wish were more functional or more harmonious, or you were truly following your passion. You had, beautiful, healthy relationships, a job that you love, a stable income, you were healthy physically, mentally, emotionally. But if you don't want any of those things and your life is great, well then, keep doing what you're doing. Then we need more people like you in the world. But if you don't do Genesis program and you're not where you want to be, then the likelihood of you living a life that is not meaningful, purposeful, filled with joy, enthusiasm, laughter, meaningful connection and relationships, you're not able to express who you really are, that's the life that you will continuously live. And if you were to ask me, that doesn't sound like an inspiring life. That doesn't sound like a life that you'd want to wake up to every morning and be like, man, I can't wait to move forward on my path in life. You'd have to weigh out the cost of inaction. You'd have to weigh out the cost of not taking on the Genesis program and transforming your life for the better.